I would like to upload a product that is very popular on Etsy, and that is your wedding invitation. Right. So for the wedding invitation, we have that uploaded as well, right? And we want to create our pins so that we can advertise our Etsy product. So let us go to course settings. We can leave the Easter, or we can choose something like a St. Patrick's Day theme. And let us click on the overlay text, and we can insert wedding invitation, but for now I think we should leave this blank. Okay, so let's click on this, go back to course settings, and you can leave your website and just remove that. Okay, and let us click on generate.